This under the seat comes in 3 different pieces. These are the dividers. I'll show you how that goes in a minute. 3 different pieces like this. Alright. This is going to be your middle piece. The piece with the little knots right here, it goes on each end. Each end, that's how you know you got it right. See, this one here's got a notch in it also. First we have to assemble it. Real simple. Just go in there, you can see the little holes already pre-made in there. You just put these in there and screw that on there. Okay, here's the end result under the seat storage compartment. All you do, unscrew this bolt right here. Yeah, see it right there? Unscrew that bolt right there. Run this little lever through here and put your little keeper on there. And it holds it right in place. Nothing to it. Look at all that room I got. Don't have to put stuff on my back seat anymore. Just put it under the seat. Don't have to worry about it sliding forward or anything. I like that.